Hello friends, spring season is here. Last
So,
year I started the dollar tree seeds indoor and transferred them to the outdoors, but only few plants survived. So this year I am going to start them outdoor and I poured all the seeds on the prepared garden bed. And after approximately 2 weeks they started sprouting. I also have some of the last year plants still flowering along with daffodils. I will be making another video about how we prepared our soil for the summer garden and composting techniques for raised bed for veggies. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.